southwest winds around 5 miles per hour, becoming north in the afternoon. The National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Calhoun County in central South Carolina, Clarendon County in central South Carolina, southwestern Sumter County in central South Carolina, northeastern Orangeburg County in central South Carolina, until 6:45 p.m. At 5:38 p.m., multiple severe thunderstorms were located in Calhoun and Clarendon counties, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Orangeburg, Benning, Brookdale, St. Matthews, Holly Hill, Somerton, Ellery, Alcoa, Santee State Park, Santee Cooper Regional Airport, Claflin College, South Carolina State University, Orangeburg County Airport, Edisto Gardens, Santee, Pinewood, Cameron, Utoville, Paxville, and Vance. This includes the following highways: Interstate 26 between mile markers 144 and 166. Interstate 95 between mile markers 87 and 125. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. And now taking a look at the forecast. Florence and the surrounding area.